Hello friends, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. It is another beautiful day and we're about to rewind 2.2 kilowatts electric motor. I will kindly encourage you to follow this tutorial video as we are starting it from beginning to the end. So this is three-phase electric motor, 2.2 kilowatts. So we are going to rewind it from beginning to the end. So we are going to remove the wire, then we are going to replace it, rewind it back. We're going to lose all the powers, then we have access to the coil. Okay, you can see it from here. So the coil got burned. So the process of rewinding this, we just removing the burnt wire and replacing it with NM wire. We have two type of wire for rewinding. We have aluminium and copper. Any of these two can work effectively, but you know the best gauge to use will make your work very efficient. So how to lose the coil? You use the correct gauge to rewind it back. This motor have a speed of 1420 running per minute. Okay, so this is it, 1420 running per minute. Okay, so we are going to maintain the same speed, and to maintain the same speed we have to use the same diagram, the same turns and the same wire gauge. So right now we're about to remove the wire. When we remove it, we have to count the wire, gauges, and also the same diagram, maintain the same diagram. When we do this, you know that the motor is going to work as it was working before. So let's go. In three-phase motor winding, we have two type of connection. We have data connection and star connection. So come closer, you can see the three wire is bridged. When it's bridged like this, is known as star connection. So this is star connection. Then the three output, now this is now the three phase, the first phase, the second phase and the third phase. So this will be the star. So that is how we are going to wind it. We are going to do it same connection, which is star connection. So if you don't have a diagram of this, is good that you take a diagram so that to avoid any confusion, so that you do exact thing you see here. So or if you can contain it in your head, you can just chisel and wind it. But if you can, it's good you take a good diagram, just what is inside here. Take a good diagram of this. We are going to chisel it, then rewind it back, same connection.
So this is the explanation of this diagram. This is three-phase diagram and this is for this motor. So you can see three color of paint. You can see blue, you can see red, and you can see black. So each color of paint represent each phase of this motor. So as you can see, this one now, as you can see, S1, that is the start one where the wire starts, and you can see E8 where these wires end. That is in this pole, in this slot, the wire start from 1 and end in 8, and from here it start from 10 and end in 17. So now this end of 8 we now loop and join with this 17. So the wire will come out from this 17 and join with this 8. Okay, on this pole 2, which is this slot 19, you can see the wire starts from this slot 19. It starts on this 19 and end on this 26. So, and also on this side it starts from 28 and end on 35. So why this end, this start of 10 we join with this start of 19, and this end of 26 we join with this end of 25. 28 we now come out and it is one leg among the star. Then this one, which will be the light, this one will go to the light, part of 3-phase output. So same thing with other ones. Now to the red, which is the second phase, the wire come out on the second, which is the end. The wire starts from 31 and end in 2. Then on 4 it starts from 4 and end in 11. On this side it starts from 13 and end in 20. It starts from here 22 and end in 29. So now the connection goes this way. This start of 4 will bridge with this start of 13. You can see this point, so that it is just a joint where you join this start of 4 to start of 13. So now this end of 20 we join with this end of 29, while this start of 22 we join with this start of 31, which is end of 2 will be the star, as we have gotten 2 wire among the star, and this 11 will be the second part of the output 3-phase light. Okay, now on the black, on the B5, the wire starts from 34 and end in 5. The same thing, 7, it starts from 7 and end in 14. So that is mean to say this is starts. This is S34. And this is E5. And this is S7. And this is E14, that is N14. And this is start 16, start 16. And this is end 23. And this is starts 25. Start 25. Then end 32. So now on this third phase, this start 34 will bridge with start 7, and 14 will bridge with N22, while start 16 will bridge with start 25, and we become the third star. So we have gotten the 3 star now, which is 1, 2, 3. See it? Then now this 34 will bridge with this 7. So we have the third light, which is N5. That is light. So this is the light these three will be the three-phase output. This one, 1, 2, 3. While these three will be the star, 1, 2, 3. So we have S28 as the first star, E32 as the star, and E2 as the star, while we have S1 as a light and also X11 as a light. So winding, we are using gauge 20, the turns is 43, and the wires in hand is one single wires in hand, one wires in hand. So to take the diagram, we'll take a diagram from 1 to 8 in the slot. So while this double slot is 1 to 9, you can see it. This single one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. While this double one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can see it is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So while you count this first one, then you give a gap and count this one, which is the same place you're counting this double one. So now let's do this and rewind this motor. Let's go.